Hey, my name is Eric, the car plug with Sarah Toyota. The address here is 1300 Centerpoint Parkway. My direct phone number is 205-796-5327. And you can also call me on my toll-free number, which is 833-E-MY-PLUG. I wanted to shoot a series of videos showing vehicles that are currently on our lot to show you some of the opportunities that you may have here with Sarah Toyota. Again, I would love to schedule an appointment with you. Also, I pay $100 for referrals, so I love the opportunity to earn your family and friends' business also. Give me a call. Hey, tune in. Also, I need you to like and subscribe to this video and content like it. So you know what to do. Push the button below, like, subscribe, share it. The 2021 Toyota Venza 2.5 4-cylinder motor, all-wheel drive, hybrid, again, limited all-wheel drive in your pearl white is the vehicle that all of America has been looking and asking for. The 2021 is Venza. It has been rigorously inspected for safety and reliability. This vehicle is certified pre-owned. The Venza is the benchmark all other SUVs strive to meet with exceptional power, towing, and handling. This SUV can handle anything that you throw at it. If you're looking for a vehicle with great styling options and incredible fuel economy, look no further than this quality pre-owned vehicle. Again, you will love how the all-wheel drive Venza feels. Let's take a quick look at the interior. Great styling you've already seen. Let's look on the interior. You'll see power locks, windows, memory seats, power seats, very gently used vehicle. You'll see automatic high beams, different options with the steering wheel, information center, power, telescoping, air conditioning, heated seats. It has all of your options on the steering wheel that you will love. Your dynamic cruise control. Let's look in the back, let's see. So you saw it has your rear vents. Again, looking at your dash, you'll see touchscreen. Has your navigation system already set up, push button start. Very nice vehicle, very reliable vehicle. The vehicle is so nice they had to make it twice. This is the remake, the current model, again here at Sarah Toyota. Great options, great spacing. Tons of options. I would love to go over this vehicle with you. You see me fumbling. I had the car crank while I was doing this video, so the power hatch went open. But again, look at the interior, the spacing, the subwoofer, infinity sound system. Everything is great here at Sarah Toyota. Give me a call. Let's take this vehicle for a ride, or maybe let me bring it out to you. 205-796-5327 here at Sarah Toyota.